Alright, number 1. There's 7 football cards, 3 baseball cards. Okay. First time we're going to do it, we're not going to replace. The second time we're doing it, we're going to replace. So there's 10 cards total. First, I want a football card. So to get a football card, I have 7 out of the total. I'm not going to replace, so there's 9 left. And how many baseball cards? Since I took a football card, there's still 3 baseball cards left. Okay. You multiply, and you get 21 over 90, which can simplify to 0.23. Second time we do it, we do replace, so we put it back. So we get it 21 over 100, which is 0.21. Okay, number 2. There's 8 markers in the backpack. First one is red, the second one is orange. Okay, so there's only 1 red, and then 1 orange, right? So 1 out of 8, not replaced, so we don't, and there's still 1 orange, so 1 over 7. So we get 1 over 56. Second time we replace it, so probability is the same. 1 over 8, 1 over 8, so it's 1 over 64. Number 3, this spinner only has 3, so this is 1/3. This spinner has 5 times 1, 5, so it'll be 1 over 15. Probability of rolling a 5 on the first cube and 6 on the second cube. Remember, there's 6 on each cube. Okay, there's only 1 5. And there's only 1 6. So it'll be 1 over 6 and 1 over 6. So it'll be 1 over 36. You spin the spinner twice. A vowel. Remember, vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3. 3 over 6 times 3 over 6. Okay, so that should be 1 over 4. There are 7 singers competing in a talent show. In how many different ways can the singers appear? Okay, so 7 singers, right? In how many different ways? So this is a permutation. Permutation is 7. Okay. Actually, we're just doing a factorial. 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay. Or 7 factorial 7. Or 7 permutation 7. Okay. So we do that. We get 5,040. Pat has 9 flower pots and she wants to plant different types. There are 11 types available in the garden shop. Okay, so this, how many different ways? So this is a permutation 11, 9. Okay, so if you do it correctly, alright, you put it in your calculator. Okay, if you remember correctly, permutation is how many there are over how many minus the numbers that you want. Okay, and you should get 1995840. Okay. Number 8 and number 9 we are not going to do. We're going to skip it for right now. I'll show you how to do it if you want to see it in class. Number 10. You write 4 different names on an index card. You shuffle the card and then lay them out in a row. What is the probability that they will come out in alphabetical order? Okay, so you got 4 cards alphabetical, okay? Alright, you write 4 names on an index card. So there's an alphabetical order, so 4 names. So the first time you can do it, there's 4 different, okay? So then there's 3 different, then there's 2 different, then there's 1. Okay, 4 times it's 24. So the probability would be 1 out of 24 that will happen. Okay, 13 people enter a race. Okay. How many ways can the first 3 places be awarded? So there are different ways. So again, this is a permutation. So we have 13p3, which is equal to 13 factorial, 13 minus 3. We do that. We get 1760. Alright, number 12. Okay, there are 12, okay. How many different ways? So there's, again, this is a permutation because there are positions, okay. And there's 3 positions, okay. So this is 12 factorial over 12 minus 3. Okay, and if you do this, you end up with 1320. Okay, remember to use your calculator, okay? Thank you.